Recording. Okay, A is equal to 4 into, put values here. N is equal to 4, M is equal to, M is equal to 119, dividing by, N, what is N? 6 point, anyone please, 6.023
023 into 10 raised
Into
to
10 raised to
26
26.
into 2.7 into 10 raised to 3.
6.023 into 10 raised to 26. Okay, 6.023 into 10 raised to 26. And what is value of rho?
2.7 into 10 raised
Okay, 2.7 into rho is
to 10
one
raised
side.
to 3.
A is equal to. What is final answer? Here A is equal to, I will write A is equal to in bracket N M upon capital N into rho raised to 1 upon 3. Put values here. 4 into 119 dividing by 6.023 into 10 raised to 26 into 2.7 into 10 raised to 3 raised to 1 upon 3. Therefore, A is equal to, anyone, what is A? What is final answer? Take calculation first. Tell me the final answer. A is equal to
6.63 into 10 raised to minus 10.
okay 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter
Minus
is equal to 6.63 angstrom unit. Okay, angstrom unit. Okay, this is value of A. Then second is calculate R. R is equal to, for FCC, what is relation atomic radius?
A upon 2 root 2.
R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. Put values and simplify. R is equal to, what is A? 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 10 dividing by 2 root 2. What is final answer? R is equal to, atomic radius R is equal to, anyone?
2.34.
2.34. Okay, 2.34 angstrom unit. I will write here out 10 raised to minus 10 meter or 2.34 angstrom unit. ठीक है. Therefore, what is diameter? Diameter is equal to 2r. Calculate diameter. Multiplying by 2.
4.69.
4.6.
0.68.
4.6. Okay, 4.68
68.
angstrom unit. This is 4.68 angstrom unit. This is diameter of this. Take one more example. Write it. Write one more example. Copper has FCC structure. Copper has FCC structure. R is equal to, atomic radius is given here. Write it. R is equal to 1.278. R is equal to 1.278 angstrom unit. 1.278 angstrom unit. Calculate rho. Rho means density of, calculate rho or calculate density of copper. Calculate density of copper. Atomic weight of copper is 63.4 5. Atomic weight of copper is 63.5 and Avogadro's number n is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to 26 per kg mole. 6.023 into 10 raised to 26 per kg mole. Okay, here calculate density rho. Radius is given. First, from this radius calculate A. Anyone who will read it? Anyone please read the example.
Copper
Copper
has
has
One
FCC
minute,
structure.
wait. Ghodke Aditya, read it.
Copper has FCC structure. R is
Okay.
equal to
Copper
1
has FCC structure.
structure. हाँ sir.
Okay, we'll write it in given quantities. FCC means FCC.
N is equal to
4 sir.
N is equal to
4.
4.
Okay, and atomic radius R is equal to what there?
1.278.
1.278.
278.
What is
Angstrom unit.
Angstrom unit. Okay, I will convert it into meter. 1.278 into
10 raised to minus 10.
10 raised to minus 10
10
meter. Okay.
meter. Calculate rho
Calculate density rho.
of copper atomic weight.
Atomic weight of copper means m is given. What is
Yeah,
m?
63.5.
Okay, 63.5. M is equal to here.
And
M is equal to 63.5. 63.5. And n is
Avogadro number
6.023
6.023 into 10 raised to 26.
into 10 raised to 26.
26 per kg mole.
Okay, per kg mole. Per kg mole. Okay, first which formula is suitable?
R is equal to A upon 2 root वरून A
R is
काढायचं.
equal to A upon 2 root 2. First calculate A. Therefore, A is equal to काय येणार आहे? R into 2 root 2. Put values here. What is value of R? 1.278 into 10 raised to minus 10 into 2 root 2. What is answer? What is value of A? Anyone? A is equal to this first formula, first part of this numerical.
3.61
614
3.61
into 10 raised to किती आलं?
minus 10.
minus 10.
minus 10.
और
Angstrom unit.
Angstrom unit मध्ये कसे येणार आहे? 3.614 Angstrom unit. This is value of A. Then calculate rho. Rho is equal to which formula? N m upon capital N into A cube.
N A cube.
Put values here. N is equal to for FCC. What is value of N? 4.
4.
Into what is molecular weight M?
63.5.
63.5 dividing by what is Avogadro's number?
6.023 into 10 raised to 26.
023 into 10 raised to 26.
26.
Into what is value of A?
3.614.
3.614 into
their cube.
10 raised to
10 raised to minus 10.
10. हे पण ब्रॅकेट मध्ये यायला लागला पाहिजे त्याचा क्यूब. नाउ सिम्प्लिफाय इट. व्हाट इज आन्सर? रो. Everyone, I will ask anyone. I will check the numbers and then I will ask anyone when an answer. Kadam, 37 number. Shreyash Kadam. Roll
Yes,
number.
sir.
Solve this. Tell me the answer of this. Solve it and tell me the answer. Are you writing or not? लिहिताय का नाही कदम? हॅलो कदम, श्रेयश कदम. Answer. Tell me the answer. Final answer. Who will tell?
Sir, I can.
Yes. Tell the answer. ज्याचं झालं त्यांनी सांगा, बाकी अदर्स विल कन्फर्म.
हॅलो सर.
उबाळे.
सर माझे 8934.21 आले.
89 8.9 आलं का? 8.9 समथिंग. 8.9
8934.21
इंटू 10 to किती आलं?
तर 10 नाही आलं सर. 89
0.89342 into 10 raised to minus 17 आलं.
-17. बघा इथे क्यूब रूट क्यूब वगैरे काढताना मिस्टेक झालं तुमच्या इथं. 10⁻30 येतं इथं. 10⁻30 इथं 10⁻26 येत आहे. 10⁻13 10⁻26 म्हणजे 10⁻4 राहिलं. 10⁻- न्युमरेटरला गेल्यानंतर 10⁻+4 आलं. लक्षात येते का नाही? अजून आता मी इथं पुढची स्टेप घेतो जरा.
सर
रो इज इक्वल
8.934 into 10⁻3
10⁻3 बरोबर आहे. अजून एक इथली स्टेप सांगतो मला. हे किती आहे? 10⁻26 आहे. इथं 10⁻30 येणार आहे. 10⁻30 10⁻26 इंटू 10⁻30 किती आलं? 10⁻4 आलं. आणि ते 10⁻4 आपण न्युमरेटरला घेतो, म्हणजे 4 इंटू 63.5 याने सोडवलं नाही त्यांच्यासाठी. डिवायडिंग बाय 6.023 इथं 10⁻, किती घेतो मी? 10⁻3चं किती? -4चं +4 झालं. 10⁻4 इंटू इन ब्रॅकेट 3.614 आणि त्याचा क्यूब आहे बघा. बरोबर आहे का? आणि ह्याचा आन्सर किती आलं? फायनल किती आला आता? 8.9 इंटू 10⁻3. what is the density, unit of density? kg per meter cube. Okay, unit of density is a kg per meter cube. Therefore rho is equal to kg per meter cube. Okay, this is the final answer. लक्षात आलं काय केलं ते? कोण सांगता इथल्या स्टेप मी काय केलं ते? 10⁻4 कसं घेतलं कोण सांगताय? 10⁻26 आहे. इथे 10 किती झालं?
30 minus 30
-30. 10⁻26
minus 30 plus 26 equal to -4. इथे
-4
numerator मध्ये गेले की +4 झालं.
+4 झालं. ओके बरोबर. आन्सर इज 8.9 into 10⁻3 kg per meter cube. Okay. Can I give one more or we'll go for next article? One more example. Write it. Okay, write one example. Are you getting or not? Hello, anyone responds me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then write it.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I will give a different type of example, somewhat different. Write it. Sodium crystallizes. Everyone please write it. I will ask anyone, he or she should read it. प्रत्येकाने लिहायचं आहे. मी कोणाला पण विचारणार आहे, वाचायला होणार आहे. Sodium crystallizes. That participant list is in front of me only. ठीक है. Sodium crystallizes in a cubic lattice. Sodium crystallizes in a cubic lattice. A is equal to 4.3. A is equal to 4.3. A means what is A? What is A? A means lattice constant. Okay.
That is constant.
Okay. A is equal to 4.3. Its lattice constant is 4.3 angstrom unit. A is equal to 4.3 angstrom unit, comma, rho means density for sodium is 963. Density of sodium is 963 kg per meter cube.
सर एक्झाम्पल परत सांगताय का? रेंज
हाँ,
नव्हती
ठीक आहे. आता एकदा वाचतो नंतर. सोडियम crystallizes in a cubic lattice. Sodium crystallizes in a cubic lattice. A at a lattice constant A is equal to 4.3 angstrom unit. Lattice constant A is 4.3 angstrom unit, and density of sodium is equal to 963 kg per meter cube. 963 kg per meter cube, and molecular weight of sodium is equal to 23. Full stop. How many atoms are contained in one unit cell? How many atoms are contained in one unit cell? What type of unit cell? What type of unit cell sodium belongs? This Na belongs. हे दोन गोष्टी काढायच्या आहेत आपल्याला. What type of unit cell sodium belongs, or Na means sodium belongs. And one more given quantity, what is Avogadro's number is given. What is Avogadro's number? Anyone?
6.023 into 10 raised to 26 per kg mole.
26 per kg mole. Now anyone please read it and tell me the given quantities. Anyone म्हणण्यापेक्षा I will read the numbers. Sakre Srishti.
Yes, sir.
Read it and tell me the given quantities once again.
Sodium crystallized in a cubic lattice. A is equal to 4.3 angstrom unit, and density of sodium is 963 kg per meter cube. Molecular weight of sodium is equal to 23. How many atoms are contained in one unit cell? What type of unit cell sodium belongs?
Okay, म्हणजे find out the value of n means number of atoms per unit cell, and if number of atoms per unit cell are 2, then it is basis structure. N is equal to 1, then SC, and N is equal to 4, then it is a FCC structure. Okay, we'll calculate n. These are the given quantities. Formula, anyone will tell? Roll number 3, Busner. Rho is equal to, tell me the formula. Rho is equal to
n into m upon a cube into n.
n into m upon capital N into a cube. Okay. Then put values here. Rho, what is rho?
तर
963.
आधी एक एन काढायचं आपल्याला.
ठीक आहे, पुन्हा करू की यांना घेऊ एका साईडला. का अगोदरच घ्यायचं म्हणताय? ठीक आहे, अगोदरच घेऊ. चला. n is equal to rho
M.
इंटू कॅपिटल N, बरोबर आहे का? रो इंटू कॅपिटल N इंटू ए क्यूब डिवायडिंग बाय, हां सांगा की
M.
मला एकट्यालाच कामाला लावताय. हां, रो N इंटू कॅपिटल M अपॉन डिवायडिंग
M.
बाय
M, sir.
M. हां, पुट व्हॅल्यूज. आता तुम्ही सांगायचे, मला लावायचं नाही कामाला. हां,
963
963
into Avogadro number
हां
6.023
0.023
into 10 to the power
26
raised to 26
हां
आणि a cube म्हणजे
AQ
4.3
4.3 हां
4.3 into 10
into 10 raised to minus 10
चा cube.
10 raised to minus
minus 10
10
bracket cube
bracket cube dividing by molecular weight किती आहे?
23
23. आता मगासारखं येतं 26 आणि 10 raised to minus 30. ते सॉल्व करा व्यवस्थित आता. ठीक आहे, सिम्प्लिफाय इट नाव अँड फाइंड आउट n. n ची व्हॅल्यू डोंट टेल इन टर्म्स ऑफ 10 raised to factor नाव. इट मस्ट बी 2, 1 or 4. आन्सर इज 2, 1 or 4 आउट ऑफ दिस 3. 1 तर असेल, 2 तर असेल किंवा 4 तर असेल. 1 तर असेल किंवा 2 तर असेल किंवा 4 तर असेल. या तिन्हीपैकी आन्सर आहे. मला कुठला आहे ते सांगायचं. आय विल मेक अ टिक मार्क फॉर दिस. सिम्प्लिफाय इट.
सर 2 येते.
2. ओके 2. हां, अजून कोणाचा ऑप्शन आहे का बघू आपण. अदरवाईज विल गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. एनी अदर?
2 येते सर.
2 येते सर.
2 हां, अजून
Yes, yes, sir.
2 येते सर.
2च ना?
येस सर.
ओके
2 येते
Yes,
सर.
sir.
2.
Sir.
okay. Then what which structure is there? There are number of atoms is
BCC.
2. Then structure is which
BCC.
one? BCC. Which one? Body centered.
बॉडी सेंटर द क्यूबिक.
Sodium belongs to, right? Answer final. Sodium belongs to BCC structure. Okay, sodium belongs to BCC structure. Sodium belongs to BCC structure. Write it. Sodium belongs to BCC structure. Okay, it belongs to BCC structure. Okay, over. The last one, last numerical, and then we'll go for next article. Okay, write it. Everyone over. Write it.
Yes, sir.
Density of copper is. मग सोडियम घेतलं तर आता फक्त बदलतोय आपण, कॉपर घेतोय. सिमिलर टाइप एक्झाम्पल आहे, इथं पण n फाइंड आउट करायचं. हां, डेन्सिटी ऑफ कॉपर इज, आई विल नॉट हेल्प नाउ फॉर दिस न्यूमेरिकल. डेन्सिटी ऑफ कॉपर इज 8980 kg per meter cube. 8980 kg per meter cube. Okay, density is given, rho is given, rho is equal to 8000 8 not point there, 8983 8980 kg per meter cube. Density is given, and unit cell dimension is means small a is given 3.61 angstrom unit. Unit cell dimension is 3.61 angstrom unit, and molecular weight of copper is Cm is given 63.54. Molecular weight of copper is Cm is given 63.54. Determine determine, first write it crystal structure. Crystal structure. Crystal structure means काय काढावं लागेल? हां, anyone?
Yes, CBCC
N,
N.
Okay. You calculate atomic radius means R. Calculate atomic radius means R. Okay. Anyone will read it once again. Read this example.
Density of
sir.
copper is
एक मिनिट
8000.
एक कोण सांगतोय मला? एक जण बघू द्या. नवीन कोणीतरी ज्याने अजून सांगितलं नाही असेल त्याच द्यायचा.
Can I?
हा, बोराडे. चला, बोराडे. आशिष बोराडे.
Yes, please.
ओके. हां, read it.
Density of copper is
हां,
8,980 kilogram per meter cube. And
okay.
unit cell dimension is A is equal to 3.61 angstrom.
Okay, convert. We'll convert it. हाँ, 3.61 into हाँ into
10 raised to 60.
10 raised to किती? Angstrom units आपल्या ह्याच्यामध्ये करायचं आहे. मीटर
10
मध्ये.
raised to minus 10.
minus
10
10.
raised to minus 10.
हाँ, next. हाँ.
10. And molecular weight of copper is M is equal to 63.54. Determine crystal structure and calculate atomic radius.
Okay, first write it. N, determination of N. Which formula? Any other now? Anyone? We'll take the number. Roll number 23. Sonali. हाँ. Today. Rho is equal to. हाँ. I will put absent marks for such students. Those are not responding. Yes, no, काहीतरी व्हायला पाहिजे. Rho is equal to. Today Sonali. 23 number.
N4 येते.
डायरेक्ट आन्सर सांगू नका मला, जरा हे सांगा की एक्सप्लेनेशन अगोदर. हां, एन सगळ्याला घेऊन जायचं आपल्याला. हां, एन एम अपॉन कुणी काढले आन्सर? हां, एन एम अपॉन
Capital N into A cube.
Capital N into M cube.
एवढे एक्झाम्पल होऊन पण अजून रिपीट होत नाही. ठीक आहे. देअरफॉर एन इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल एन इज इक्वल टू रो कैपिटल N into
A cube.
A cube dividing by
M.
m. Put values here. 8980 बरोबर आहे का?
Yes, sir.
into 6.02
20,
into
23 into 10 raised to 26.
26 into
A 3.61 into
3.61
into 10 raised to minus 10
minus 10
bracket
raised
cube upon
divided by
63.54.
upon 63.54.
54.
Okay, what is answer here? N is equal to
4 येते sir.
4.
4 येते.
4 येते sir.
Means which structure is there? Which
FCC, sir.
FCC.
cubic.
Okay. Means here copper belongs to FCC structure. Then second is calculate atomic radius. What is the atomic radius for FCC? R is equal to
A upon 2 root 2.
A upon 2 root 2.
Okay, A upon 2 root 2. Put values and simplify. A is equal to what is A?
6.61 into
3.61 dividing by 2 root 2
1.27 येते.
into 10 raised to minus 10.
1.27
angstrom unit or 1.27 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter or 1.27 angstrom unit. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, everyone please complete it and we'll go for next article. Right, next article is the Miller indices. Miller indices. Miller indices. Okay, in crystallography, we know that any plane is designated by the three numbers. These three numbers are called as Miller indices. Okay, listen please. Okay, this is the one plane ABC is there. In a crystallography or in solid state physics, प्रत्येक number, प्रत्येक plane ला एक specific designation असते. What is designation means what? त्याचं पदभार. समजा for example, Chaundeswar is working as a CC, class coordinator of this class coordinator. This is the designation. His designation is there. Or I am working as a associate professor and head. This is the my designation. Or some teacher is there, Dharesar is there. He is working as a assistant professor. So these are the designations of the teachers. Similar way in crystallography, each and every plane is designated by the three numbers. प्रत्येकाचं डेजिग्नेशन आहे क्रिस्टलोग्राफीमध्ये. ओके, ते डेजिग्नेशन कसं फाइंड आउट करायचं, हाउ टू डिटरमाइन दिस Miller indices of this plane or this is designation of this plane. Now we'll see one by one. This is the plane ABC. Plane ABC. Okay, a intercept of this plane on x-axis is O. This is ABC plane. इन सिंपल मिलर इंडायसेस म्हणजे त्या प्लेनचं डेजिग्नेशन, क्रिस्टलोग्राफी मधलं डेजिग्नेशन. म्हणजे एबीसी प्लेन म्हणण्याच्या ऐवजी आपण त्याला एक स्पेसिफिक नाव दिलेलं असतं प्रत्येक प्लेनला. हे सॉलिड स्टेट फिजिक्सच्या भाषेत किंवा क्रिस्टलोग्राफीच्या भाषेत एक नाव दिलेलं असतं. त्या नावाला आपण काय म्हणतोय, त्याचे मिलर इंडायसेस. पण ते नाव कसं फाइंड आउट करायचं हे आपण आपल्याला बघायचं आहे ह्या आर्टिकलमध्ये. ओके, म्हणजे मिलर इंडायसेस कसे फाइंड आउट करायचे, वन एक्झाम्पल घेऊ आणि नंतर आपण डेफिनेशनकडे आणि रूलकडे जाऊ. आर यू गेटिंग ऑर नॉट? कुणीतरी रिस्पॉन्स द्या मला, येस ऑर नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, दिस इज द प्लेन. मला वाटलं, मला असं वाटायला लागलं की मी एकटाच बडबडायला लागलो. मधून अजून येस सर काहीतरी होत चला. ओके, दिस इज द प्लेन एबीसी. एबीसी ओए हा इंटरसेप्ट कुठल्या ऍक्सिसवर आहे? हां, ओए
X axis वर.
एक्स ऍक्सिसवर आहे. ओबी, ओबी कुठल्या ऍक्सिसवर आहे?
Y axis.
वाय ऍक्सिसवर आहे. ओसी
Z axis.
Z axis वर.
झेड ऍक्सिसवर. ओसी इज ऑन झेड ऍक्सिस. ओके, ओ ए, ओ बी आणि ओ सी. आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे? मिलर इंडायसेस ऑफ दिस प्लेन्स. हे मिलर इंडायसेस. मिलर इंडायसेस म्हणजे काय असतंय? त्या प्लेनचं डेजिग्नेशन. इन सॉलिड स्टेट फिजिक्स और इन क्रिस्टलोग्राफी, डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ दिस प्लेन्स मीन्स मिलर इंडायसेस. वेट. Okay, here ABC plane is there. O is the origin of this plane, and OA is the intercept of this plane on x-axis. OB is the intercept of this OA. This is OA. OA is the intercept of this plane on x-axis. OB is the intercept of this plane on y-axis, and OC is the intercept of this plane on z-axis. आपण साधं सोपं ABC म्हणतो, प्लेन ABC. आणि ABCच्या ऐवजी आपल्याला काय म्हणायचं, ह्याला त्याचं नाव फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, त्याचे मिलर इंडायसेस फाइंड आउट करायचे आहे. हे फर्स्ट रूल is find out the intercept. Step number 1, find out the intercept of this plane ABC on x, y, z axis. What is intercept of this plane on x axis? कौन सांगता है? What is intercept on of this plane on x axis? किती आहे? This is 0. हाँ, this is 1. This one is 2. हाँ, किती आला intercept में? What is OA? हाँ,
2.
OA means intercept of this plane on x axis.
2.
OA. Okay, OA is equal to किती
Point
आला?
is towards from origin.
Okay, OA is equal to 2. Then OB is the intercept of this plane on y-axis.
3, sir.
3.
Okay.
3 units.
1, 2 and 3. This is step number 1 is going on. Then OC is the intercept of this plane on z-axis.
2 आला.
किती आला OC?
2.
आणि 2. पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये काय केलं आपण? स्टेप नंबर 1 मध्ये काय केलं? हां, स्टेप नंबर 1, डिटरमाइन द
Intercept.
इंटरसेप्ट त्या प्लेनचे इंटरसेप्ट आपण कशासाठी काय फाइंड आउट करतोय टायटलचं नाव काय आर्टिकलचं आपल्या
Miller indices.
मिलर इंडायसेस
Miller indices.
ओके मिलर इंडायसेस म्हणजे काय असतंय त्याचं डेजिग्नेशन कशाचं डेजिग्नेशन त्या प्लेनचं डेजिग्नेशन ओके मिलर इंडायसेस मीन्स डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ दिस प्लेन ओके सेकंड स्टेप इज टेक रेसिप्रोकल्स ऑफ these intercepts what is second step number 2 take the
Reciprocal.
रेसिप्रोकल्स ऑफ दिस इंटरसेप्ट पहिला इंटरसेप्ट 2 आहे म्हणजे रेसिप्रोकल त्याचा किती आला
1/2.
okay what is second intercept is 3
1/3.
what is
1/3.
reciprocal is 1/3 and third intercept on z axis is 2 means it's a
1/2.
reciprocal is
1/2.
1/2 okay this is
Two.
second step take the reciprocals of this intercept step number 3 is LCM of denominator what is LCM of 2 3 and 2
6.
6.
6 okay LCM is 6 multiplying LCM multiplying by LCM multiply each reciprocal by LCM 6 into 1/2 what is answer 6/2 म्हणजे किती येणार आहे what is 6/2
3.
6/2 म्हणजे 3 second is 6/3
2.
6/3.
2 sir.
2 आलं आणि ओके 6/2 नंतर लास्ट
3 आलं 3.
हे आलं ओके find out the LCM and multiply each reciprocal by LCM of denominator means 6 into 1/2 म्हणजे we are getting 3 then second step is 6/3 we are getting 2 and 6/2 we are getting 3 okay then these are the numbers 3 2 3 3 2 3 last step is step number 4 Miller indices of the plane ABC are 3 2 3 they are written in parentheses without putting comma this is the 3 2 3 these are the Miller indices of this plane ABC this plane ABC is called as 3 2 3 plane ABC म्हणायचं नाही कुठलं प्लेन म्हणायचं याला which plane 3
2 3.
3 2 3 P ह्याचं नाव आहे त्याचं डेजिग्नेशन आहे कसं फाइंड आउट केलं कोण सांगतंय
फर्स्टली सर इंटरसेप्ट फाइंड करायचे.
फर्स्ट इंटरसेप्ट ओके
टेक रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ एन इंटरसेप्ट.
त्याचे रेसिप्रोकल्स घेतले
देन फाइंड LCM ऑफ
LCM.
इंटरसेप्ट.
ओके LCM फाइंड आउट केला
And then multiply the reciprocal by the LCM.
ओके
And
LCM
then you get the answer. This is the Miller indices for the plane.
okay these are the Miller indices they are written in parentheses okay they are written in the bracket without putting comma okay the 3 2 3 this is the designation of this plane or this Miller indices of this plane are 3 2 3 this plane ABC is called as 3 2 3 plane this plane ABC is called as 3 2 3 plane okay these are the Miller indices of this plane first we'll write definition then rules for finding the Miller indices and then one example okay Miller indices are the three smallest possible integers okay, these 3 2 3 these are the three smallest possible integers okay Miller indices are the three smallest possible integers which have the same ratios Miller indices are the anyone once again rules what are the rules for finding the Miller indices who will tell the rules कोण सांगताय
सर आधी इंटरसेप्ट काढायचे
नवीन कोणीतरी तुम्ही आता सांगितलं होतं ना का नाही
सर आता मी सांगितलेलं मी.
ओके ओके सांगा चला नवीन
सर
कोणीतरी
एलसीएम कसं काढला तुम्ही याचा
काय काढला
एलसीएम
8 2 3 2 चा एलसीएम लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टिप्लायर 2 आणि 3 चा किती येत आहे 6 येत आहे
समजलं
लक्षात 2 आणि 3 चा एलसीएम 6 येतो ठीक आहे लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टिप्लायर म्हणतो आपण 6 is there okay what are the rules first determine the intercept second is
reciprocal
Take the reciprocals of that intercepts and the third step is take the LCM of the denominators of that intercepts and multiply each of them by its LCM.
okay these 3 2 3 these are the Miller indices means Miller indices are the three smallest possible integers these are the integer numbers 3 2 3 okay three smallest possible integers which have the same ratio as the reciprocals of the intercepts of the plane on the three coordinate axes डेफिनेशन सांगतोय मी तुम्हाला. मिलर इंडायसेस are the three smallest possible integers. These are the three smallest possible integers 3 to 3 which have the same ratio is 2 as to 3 is equal to, which have the same ratios as the reciprocals means 1/2 as to 1/3 as to 1/2. Okay, these are the Miller indices. Miller indices are the three smallest possible integers which have the same ratio as the reciprocals of the intercepts of the plane on the three coordinate axes. Okay, these are the three smallest possible integers which have the same ratios as the reciprocals of the intercepts of the plane on the three coordinate axes. Right, first definition, write it. Definition, write it. Miller indices are the three smallest possible integers. Miller indices are the three smallest possible integers. Three smallest possible integers which have the same ratios. Miller indices are the three smallest possible integers which have the same ratios as the reciprocals of the intercepts of the plane, reciprocals of the intercepts of the plane as the reciprocals of the intercepts of the plane on the three coordinate axes ओके. अजून एकदा कसं लक्षात ठेवायचं सांगतो. दीज आर दी थ्री स्मॉलेस्ट पॉसिबल इंटीजर्स. आपण एक्झाम्पल घेतला होता. कुठला एक्झाम्पल घेतला होता? दीज आर दी 3 to 3. हे काय आहेत? थ्री स्मॉलेस्ट पॉसिबल इंटीजर्स म्हणजे ते आर दी मिलर इंडायसेस. मिलर इंडायसेस आर दी थ्री स्मॉलेस्ट पॉसिबल इंटीजर्स. इथं म्हटलं आपण थ्री स्मॉलेस्ट पॉसिबल इंटीजर्स विच हॅव द सेम रेशोज. कशाबरोबर रेशो आहे त्यांचा? ॲज दी रेसिप्रोकल्स ऑफ दी intercepts of the plane means 1/2 as to 1/3 as to 1/2. Okay, these are the reciprocals of the intercepts of the plane on the three coordinate axes. Okay, this is the definition of Miller indices. Miller indices, will read it, anyone?
Miller indices are the three smallest possible integers which have the same ratio as the reciprocal of the intercepts of the plane on three coordinate axes.
Okay, these are the called as Miller indices. Okay, then right, second is procedure for finding the Miller indices. Procedure for finding the Miller indices. Rule number 19. What is Ganthade, Ritesh? What is step number 1? Ritesh Ganthade. Roll number 1990. Ritesh, what is step number 1? Procedure for finding the Miller indices. What is step number 1? Ritesh. Yes, no, काहीतरी अटेंडन्स तर द्या. Ritesh, can I take attendance then? Call numbers 1. Roll numbers. Yes, attendance I will take. 1. Roll number 1.
Yes, sir.
2.
Yes, sir.
3.
Yes, sir.
4.
Yes, sir.
5. Roll number
Yes,
5. 6. Roll number 6. 7.
Yes, sir.
8.
Yes, sir.
9.
Yes, sir.
10.
Yes, sir.
11.
Yes, sir.
12.
Yes, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14,
Yes, sir.
15,
Yes, sir.
16,
Yes, sir.
17,
Yes, sir.
18, 18. Roll number 18. Okay, 19. Ritesh, absent. 19, 20,
Yes, sir.
21,
Yes, sir.
22, 23, 22, 23, 23, Sonali, 24, 25,
Present, sir.
26, 26, 7,
Yes, sir.
8,
Yes, sir.
9, 29, 30,
Present, sir.
31, 31, 32, 32, 33,
Yes, sir.
34,
Yes, sir.
35,
Yes, sir.
36,
Yes, sir.
37,
Yes, sir.
38,
Yes, sir.
39,
Yes, sir.
40, 40, 40, 41,
Yes, sir.
42,
Yes, sir.
43, 43,
Yes,
40,
sir.
44, Samarth,
Present, sir.
45,
Yes, sir.
46,
Yes, sir.
7, 47,
Present,
48,
sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49,
Yes, sir.
50,
Yes, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Manoj sir, call sound day sir for 2 minutes. 52,
52. Yes, sir.
53,
Yes, sir.
54,
Yes, sir.
55,
Yes, sir.
56, 56, 56, 57,
Yes, sir.
58,
57.
58, 59, 59, 60,
Yes, sir.
61,
Yes, sir.
62, 62, 63, Pranav,
Yes, sir.
64, Sanket,
Yes, sir.
65, Sutar,
Yes, sir.
66, Thorat.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sound sir will continue now, remaining 5 to 10 minutes, and I have some urgent work.